Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated electric carving knives. While some knife experts advise against ever buying an electric knife, citing subpar reliability and inferior manufacturing as drawbacks, many customers see these devices as life-saving beacons of convenience. When faced with a task like slicing crusty no-knead bread, spatchcocking a Cornish game hand for grilling, or carving a festive roast, having one of these on hand will make the meal much more enjoyable. In this video, sit back and relax as we present to you a list of the 7 top-rated electric carving knives available on the market today. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the electric carving knives that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first electric carving knife on our list is the Courant electric carving knife. Save meal prep time by using the Courant electric knife. Its efficiency is bound to make things easier when cooking meals. In terms of size, it measures 11.42 by 3.98 by 2.56 inches and weighs 1.65 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Courant electric carving knife a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: stainless steel blades. This allows you to cut your meat nicely and with perfection. Ergonomically designed handle. It fits comfortably in either hand and gives you accurate control and precision. Easy to use. To use, simply press and hold the on switch to safely use the knife. Automatically turn off. The knife will automatically turn off when released. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't come with a case, but you can purchase it separately. The second electric carving knife on our list is the Old-Timer electric carving knife. The Old-Timer electric fillet knife is the ultimate fishing tool with a perfect combination of durability and professional functionality. It also has a replaceable stainless steel blade that makes preparing your fish faster and easier. As for the size, it measures 1 by 1 by 1 inch and weighs 2.29 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Old-Timer electric carving knife a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 8-foot cord. This provides better accessibility whether you're filleting at the dock or by the shed. Carrying case. Out of the box, you'll be getting a carrying case which will allow you to take it wherever you go. Made of reliable stainless steel and a removable blade. Its material and the removable blade allows for easy cleaning every time. Safety lock. This feature gives you confidence in your cuts without having to worry about your fingers. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit heavy, but you'll surely get used to it. The third electric carving knife on our list is the Homaider electric carving knife. The Homaider electric carving knife uses the absolute best materials and is hammered manually with experienced craft. Many cycles of quenching and cold forging make the steel structure denser, more uniform, and less contaminated. So it is undoubtedly one of the best ones out there. In terms of size, it measures 13.15 by 4.25 by 1.26 inches and weighs 14.4 ounces. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Homaider electric carving knife a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: packwood handle. This provides a non-slip and comfortable grip and can be held for a long time. 15-degree V-shape angle. It allows for a clean and simple cut every time. Tapered bolster. This feature provides a perfect balance linking the blade and the handle. Matte texture. It increases the friction while in use and it's much safer. Thick back and thin edge. This makes the knife cleaver razor sharp. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it needs to be cleaned and dried after each use. The fourth electric carving knife on our list is the Ovente electric carving knife. The Ovente electric carving knife has a 110-watt motor that's powerful enough to slice through meats, breads, cheeses, and even materials such as styrofoam, cardboard, and thin wood. It measures 17.88 by 2.6 by 2 inches and weighs 1.3 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Ovente electric carving knife a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic handle. This provides a secure grip and comfortable, hassle-free handling. Dual button blade ejection. This feature ensures blades only detach from the motorized unit when intended to prevent accidental ejection of blades. Durable stainless steel blades. With its high-quality steel blades, the product can be used to make clean cuts and should last a long time. Protective guard. This allows you to safely grip the blades when detaching them from the motorized unit. Lightweight design. It lends itself to continuous use without causing hand fatigue. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the cord is quite short. The fifth electric carving knife on our list is the MOSAIC electric carving knife. The MOSAIC electric carving knife has a heavy-duty blade for cooking raw or frozen meat, large roasts, turkey, chicken, ham, and steak. It also has a lighter blade for melons, pineapple, tomatoes, and eggplant. As for the size, it measures 11.34 by 3.66 by 4.53 inches and weighs 1.94 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MOSAIC electric carving knife a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: removable blades. With the blades being removable, cleaning up is a walk in the park. Ergonomic handle. This is carefully designed to increase comfort and control during cutting. Blade eject button and heat insulating plastic. It can effectively keep your hands clean during the process of removing and changing the blade. Reciprocating blades. This allows you to produce slices with a uniform thickness. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the motor might be a little undersized, but it's good for the price point. The sixth electric carving knife on our list is the Chefman electric carving knife. Use this Chefman electric carving knife to slice meats, roasts, chicken, turkey, fruits, vegetables, bread and cheese for the holidays, or just for everyday use. It has reciprocating dual serrated blades. It includes a carving fork to add precision and power to any slicing task. In terms of size, it measures 2 by 2.25 by 18.5 inches and weighs 1.5 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Chefman electric carving knife a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: integrated safety button. It locks the knife when it's not in use to prevent accidental blade activation. Easy to clean. After each use, just press the Easy Blade release button to remove the blade and carefully hand wash or put it in the dishwasher. Storage case. This helps you store your electric knife away for safe and space-saving storage. Ergonomic handle. This is made for easy right or left-handed use to carve meats, cheeses, breads, and more. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you need to make sure not to immerse the cord in water when cleaning the knife. The seventh electric carving knife on our list is the Cuisinart electric carving knife. The Cuisinart electric carving knife is the ideal combination of performance and versatility. It features a powerful motor and a full-size stainless steel blade to make short work of any slicing task. As for the size, it measures 4.25 by 2.75 by 11.88 inches and weighs 1.56 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cuisinart electric carving knife a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic handle. This makes it comfortable for right-handed and left-handed people to maneuver with ease. 5-foot cord. It allows you to carve right at the table. Removable and dishwasher-safe blade. This feature allows you to clean the knife easily. Storage case. It helps you keep all of the parts in one place so that when you want to use them again, you don't have to look for each one. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it requires a lot of pressure on the switch to cut. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated electric carving knives, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next electric carving knife roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.